Pwede na natin buksan ito for 15 tons na truck. So malaking pagbabago, makakatawid na yung mga cargo truck natin na dati hindi nakatawid, kailangan pa magroro at umikot sa mga ibang port na ginawa natin. Yung mga section na talagang malaki ang sira ay linagyan na muna ng reinforcement. Ito yung malalaki na bakal, yan ang reinforcement para habang inaayos yung sa ilalim, yung mga nakikita natin dyan, yung mga nakalawang, yung mga bolt na nawala na, yung mga pin na nawala na, yan ang ginagawa nila ngayon. Ang ating, we are hoping for the total return of the bridges function to allow 33 tons two ways by the middle of when do we think we can?
Third quarter of 26.
Hopefully by the middle of next year, third quarter of next year, fully functional na ito. Again, I hope that this is a lesson to us and of all of those in the future whose responsibility will be to look after our thoroughfares, that to always remember the experience of San Juanico Bridge, that if we had only maintained it, we would have saved a great deal of problems. Not only that 1.1 billion pesos that we spent, kung hindi yung sakripisyo na dinaanan ng ating mga truck, ating mga tindahan sa Samar, dito sa Tacloban, sa Leyte, on either side.